Okay guys, let's make a leveling of our 3D printer. Let's put it out. Okay, at first we need to unscrew these 4 screws. That would be here the thing we need for that. One of these keys which are included in the whole set should fit these screws. Okay, it should be easy to move. Okay, and now we need to go to print settings. Printing parameters. Oh no, sorry. Device control. No. The axis movement. Leveling. Yes, it is here. Okay, it's go up the axis. Meanwhile, we can unscrew this tank for the liquid which we should put inside for 3D printing. We need to put it out completely for leveling. Okay, it goes down, but first of all we need to put something here, a piece of paper I mean. The warranty should be fine, it's very thin, but only one sheet of warranty. Okay, it is on down level, the lowest, and now we need to screw these screws again, but not too tough. Please make it quite stable, but without pushing it too hard. Okay, so first screw, the second on the opposite side. Okay, and now we need to go back to 0, and it goes up. We can put it out. Okay, it's on the top, and now it's labeled. We can go back to main menu. That's it.